Welcome back, fellow adventurers. Today, in the vibrant city of Dubai, we are ready to experience one of its most iconic landmarks, the Dubai Frame. Join me as we step into a mesmerizing journey through time and witness breathtaking views from the heart of the city. Before you step into this breathtaking experience, you'll need a ticket which costs 50 dirham for an adult and 30 dirham for a child. As you step through the entrance, the first stop, the ticket check. And just a few steps after that, you'll find a green screen set up to create a lasting memory of your visit to the Dubai Frame. Let's see what do we have next. Now as we walk towards the frame, we are taken to this beauty which depicts how old Dubai used to be. As you step inside, you'll be transported back in time to the history of Dubai through interactive exhibits, multimedia presentations and visual storytelling. You'll gain a deeper appreciation for the city's transformation from a small fishing village to a global metropolis. Now let's go up the sky deck, which carries us 48 floors in just 75 seconds. While standing at an astounding 150 meters in height and 93 meters in width, the Dubai Frame is not just a building. It's a gateway between the old and new Dubai. Its unique design consists of two vertical towers forming a gigantic picture frame. So, on one side of the frame, you'll see the historic district of Dera unfolds, showcasing the city's heritage. Whereas on the other side, you will witness this futuristic skyline of Dubai with its towering skyscrapers and architectural wonders. And now, here comes the best yet a little scary part of the frame, the glass bridge. Walking across it, it's both thrilling and awe-inspiring. Your heart races with a mixture of excitement and trepidation. Well, it was a little scary for me, but I got used to it. It's somehow an experience I'll never forget. The place also has a small coffee shop, so I grabbed myself a cup of hot cafe latte and a cookie, which was great. So as I thought it was time to leave this place and head back, little did I know that this place has something more to offer. So as I was going down the elevator, it unexpectedly halted on a particular floor, revealing a virtual metropolis showcasing the city after 50 years with its latest projects, how people will live, travel and more. It also showed the astonishing transformation and remarkable development that Dubai had undergone over time. This unexpected glimpse left me thoroughly impressed. And now it was finally time for me to leave. Dubai Frame is surely a place where the past and future comes together in perfect harmony. I had a wonderful time here and I hope you liked this video. Bye bye.